Hey y'all, it's Janay. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm Kelsey. I'm a pole dancer and pole instructor. And here on my YouTube channel, I talk about all things pole. I give you guys tips, tricks, tutorials, and pretty much whatever else I feel like. But today, we're getting into my personal flexibility routine that helps me get my splits. So just like pole dancing, flexibility is something you need to work on consistently to see consistent progress and results. I'm not as flexible as I would like to be, but this is the routine I do to actively work on becoming more flexible and get more comfortable with my splits. Now, before we get started, make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram at Janay so we can always stay connected. And you can also visit my Patreon and website, janayway.com, for more virtual pole dance classes and tutorials. Check my description box for all the links. Now, let's go ahead and get into it. First, I like to start with a full body warm-up, just to wake everything up. I'm taking deep breaths, inhaling to bring my arms up, and exhaling as I bring them down. Now, I'm gonna extend my arms out and reach over to one side. Then, I'm gonna switch sides. After that, I'm gonna do another deep inhale, bring my arms up, exhale, and reach down to the floor. From here, I'm gonna grab my elbows and gently rock side to side, letting my head hang down, getting a nice stretch in my hamstrings. Now I'm gonna bring my hands back to the floor and walk them over to my right foot. Now I'm gonna walk my hands over to my left foot. And now I'm gonna come back to center and gently roll my body all the way up. Now I'm gonna move to the floor and get in my frog pose. I always lead with this stretch because it's great for waking up and opening up my hip flexors. To get a deeper stretch, I like to come up on my hands and slightly push my glutes back to open up the hips a little bit more. Next, I'm going to get into my pike stretch. My legs are fully extended out in front of me, and as I continue to breathe, I'm going to reach for my toes. From here, I'm going to come up and get into my straddle. Once I'm in my straddle, I'll take my right hand and reach all the way over to my left foot. And now switching sides, taking my left hand and reaching over to my right foot. And now coming back up to center, I'm going to reach down the middle, keeping my back as straight as possible. And with each and every stretch, I always remind myself to breathe. After that, I'm going to get into my butterfly pose and flutter my legs to help shake out my hip flexors. And next, I'm going to bring one foot on top of the other just to get a deeper stretch and a deeper hip opener. And now I'm going to switch to the other side, again, gently pressing my knees down and taking deep breaths. Now to get into these splits, first I'm going to start with a deep lunge, keeping my knee at a 90-degree angle. Now my front leg, I'm going to take that hand and reach back to grab my foot. This stretch is targeting my quads and helping to work on my balance. From here, I'm going to release my foot, straighten my front leg, and fold my body over to get one last deep stretch in my hamstrings. From there, I'm going to slide all the way out into my split. Now, if you can't get down this far into your split, I highly recommend getting some yoga blocks to help provide some additional support. I will have some linked down below in the description box. And now gently easing out of that split, I'm going to do the exact same sequence on the other side. And once I've done my split on my other side, I'm done and good to go for my pole session. All right, y'all, that is gonna wrap it up for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment down below if you would like to see more videos like this. As always, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you're following me on Instagram at Janay so we can always stay connected. And if you're interested in more pole dance classes and tutorials, make sure to check out my Patreon and website, janayway.com. And until next time, I'll see you guys. Bye.